How to apply for a job on Total Job Easy Guide. So hey guys, in today's video I give you an easy guide on how to apply for a job here on Total Job. To apply for a job here on Total Job, all we need to do right now is open up our Total Job right here. Once you open up our Total Job right here, you'll be located to your Total Job right here. Once your Total Job has been opened up right here, you may now choose a job that you want. For example, we're gonna choose it's just the commercial product manager, Zone Gaming. The first one top, Sunny. Po. If you're Filipino, you would get that. Sunny po. Patawad. There, as you can see, this server is not available. Oh no, it's not available anymore. So we're gonna find another one. So how about the repair technician gaming machines? Although we don't have any clue on how this works. Yeah, anyways, as you can see right there, all we need to do is click on apply. And after pressing apply, oops, something went wrong. Oh no, the internet broken. Oh no. Anyways, the app is a little bit bugging, but yeah, that's all you need to do is click on apply. Then adding your resume, portfolio if you have. Then after adding your resume, portfolio, and if you want, you can watch here on Guide Glimpse on how to make like resumes, portfolio. I'm sure there's a video right here on Guide Glimpse to how to make a resume portfolio. And then just add it right here. After you just add it right here, oh, they're done. Then you just have to wait, put in your cover, and then how much you want or how much you want for the salary. But yeah, there you guys. That's how to do it. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any question, concerns about question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. Thank you guys, and thank you.